Hey photo walkers, Brandon here from Art Helper, and today I'm going to show you how you can use Art Helper to effectively and efficiently market your photography, help you in your day-to-day, find buyers for your art, and some really cool shortcuts that Art Helper helps you perform in your normal workflows. So number one, when you upload your piece to Art Helper, we have some great organization pieces. I'll come back to that. Um, but I'm just going to go and dive into this piece. You could see that the AI automatically tags all of the art and the photography, so you can use effective filtering. This also helps with some of the responses. So over here on the right, we have Sparks. These are basically pre-programmed shortcuts for you. Probably the most popular one is the social media post. So it will write a social media post for you. And then you can go in and add context or change it up. You can actually edit it yourself. So if you wanted to change up the hashtags, you could do that. You can then go in and say, hey, add more emojis. And it will do that just like a chat GPT would, except these are sort of shortcuts. The other thing we have is custom rules. So you know how you're always having to tell ChatGPT or other AIs, hey, always do this, or make sure you do this. This will actually, save to the Spark itself. So I could say always add emojis and relevant hashtags. And I could save that as a custom rule. Now, anytime that I use this Spark on any one of my other images, it'll actually apply that rule on the output here. So you can see the custom rule is saved there, and there we've got the hashtags. So going back to this beautiful line, you'll also notice that Art Helper automatically creates beautiful mockups for you. So you can go in here and search through all of these mockups. You could search by color, item, I could search for chair, kids, anything, and you can download these right away. So just download them. You probably want to post them to social media, right? And so we've actually made that simple. You could just go over here, post to social, and you could see we've already got some mockups there for you. You can edit those. You could add more, right? So let's say I wanted to add this one. You could change the orientation of the images and do all kinds of fun editing here. I'm going to go ahead and click next. So you see it's already got your social media post in there and a preview. Then I post that and it's already on my social media, or I can go in and schedule it for a certain time. So that's, pretty cool. You can get a carousel post done in seconds. And we also have reels coming probably in the next few weeks. So you'll be able to post a reel with music within a few seconds, really, of uploading your art. So that's pretty cool. Other things we have, so let's say you wanted to title your piece. You can come over here, click the title Spark, and it will start writing a title for you. This one will give you a few different ideas, some longer ones, some shorter ones. And then what I can do is, let's say I like this one, I could just go copy, and I'm going to add that as the actual title here. So I'm going to save that guy, right? And so now you can see Guardian of the Savannah is up there. And when I go back here, it's on my title. All right. So now let's say I want a product description, right? So I actually want to, maybe I want to put this on a store, or, want some sort of description. You could see it now pulls in the title because I saved it there. And I have this beautiful description. I could just hit copy. I'm going to go ahead and add that in. I'm going to go delete this title here. And now I've got a social post out. I've got a product title ready to go. I've got a description ready to go. Eventually, we're going to have some other integrations with Shopify, Etsy, Pinterest, where you could just post these right away. You could also go in and actually tune the voice. So if you wanted to change up how it sounds or avoid certain words that the AI is using, you could do that as well. But we also have, a blog post here, so you can go in and it'll write a blog post based off of the name and the description. So now it's thinking it's writing a blog post. And oh, by the way, this can have custom rules as well, right? So if you went in to add a custom rule here and say, always use at least 300, let's just say 500 words. This is for a Substack article. And, you could say always have a call to action to my website, and you could put in your website there. So I'd save those custom rules, and then I would just go in here and say like go again or retry, and then it would apply those custom rules. Some other cool things, we have a Reddit group finder. So let's say, hey, I want to get some eyeballs on this piece. I can go in here, Reddit group finder. It actually goes out and finds niche subreddits for you. So if I wanted to go in to Reddit Lions, right, it's right there. So now I can go and post directly on these channels, which is pretty cool. We also have a Facebook group finder. So you can go in here and it's showing you all these different group searches where you might want to promote your photography, right? So I could click that, it'll go right to Facebook, and now I've got, Lion Lovers Community, 75,000 people, 100,000 people, all these people that love lions. It's found for me. So there you go. What else? All kinds of shortcuts here. These are our Sparks, Etsy listing. You could write emails very, easily. You could have a marketing plan. It'll build a marketing plan for you. SEO keywords. It'll do an art analysis for you. Instagram bio, all kinds of fun stuff for you. Interior designer. This is a really cool one. So it'll actually pull out the color palettes for you, and give you suggestions that you can give to an interior designer on what this piece would look great with in a room in terms of complementary colors. So I'll let that one run. All right, and you can see here, it actually pulls in the paint colors. So I can click on this and go find the actual paint color for a room. Explains why it works well, talks about the different codes for the colors in the image as well as complementary colors. Also gives you a direct message you could use to send to interior designers if that's what you'd like to do. Really cool stuff. So let's go back here to some of the integrations. So right now we have Instagram. Eventually we'll have Pinterest, Facebook, LinkedIn, all the normal places you might want to promote your work. We also have unlimited storage, so unlimited photo storage for paying users. And what's really cool is we back up your photography in 10 different places and 10 different servers worldwide. We also have copyright protection coming very soon, so it'll actually go out and scour the web to find where your images are to make sure that you're not getting any copyright infringement or anyone stealing your photos. You will get web optimized files with watermarks automatically. That's coming in addition to the room mockups you already get. And we already have a lot of auto tagging, right? So I can go in here and go to my display options, and I want to see the tags. So these are all the tags that already exist on this demo account. So now I can go in and just search for urban, if I can spell correctly, and it's got all my urban tags there. Paris, right? London. I could also drag and drop things into folders. So I want all my London in one folder. Now I can work in the London folder, which is pretty cool. None of these pieces have titles yet. You could filter by upload date, tags, file name, everything. Also can do list view here if that's easier. So yeah, really easy to organize a lot of your photography. You can go in and save different content, right? So if I'm creating and working on a piece, I could save that content. So let's say I want to go over here and, you know, I'm going to let it write a blog post about this particular piece. So I'll let that run. And now let's say I want to save this and work on it later. I can add, you know, blog post as a folder or a label, save it. And now that content is saved over here in my saved content. So I can come back to it. I can copy the text, work on it somewhere else, send it over to Substack, whatever you want to do, right? I could, you know, copy and paste this into social media, all kinds of fun stuff. You could also save your favorite mockups. So let's say I have a favorite mockup here, and I'm going to look through. Let's do, I'm just going to scroll down. Let's say I like this one here. So I'm going to save that guy. And now when I come back to save content, the mockup is there as well, right? So I can come back and download that very easily. Lots of stuff coming in the horizon. So excited to show some more stuff for you guys. Feel free to check it out. Go to go to ArtHelper.ai. Be sure to use promo code Photowalk. So, you know, we can make sure that we know you guys are getting taken care of, and you'll get a free month of the paid version. So that's it for today. Looking forward to launching more features, helping you guys out. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks.